How to scull a boat. Greetings, people! Today we're going to teach you how to scull a boat, so let's start. Steps in sculling a boat. First, initiate with putting your boat into the water and keep it steady while you stand at the dock. Second, the next step is to put the oars in the lock by placing the thin parts of the oar shafts near the blade into the lock. Third, slide the oar out into the lock until the button contacts the lock. 4. Before getting into the boat, make sure that you hold both oar grips with one hand, buttons out against the locks, oar blades perpendicular to the boat and flat. 5. As you place your other hand on the convenient edge of the boat, slowly put your one foot on the non-slip surface between the tracks and step in. 6. Make sure that when you step in, the oars should be in front of your body and the seat should be behind you so you can sit properly. 7. Once you've settled comfortably, place each of your feet inside under the respective loop of the footboard and adjust the strap to be snug. It is recommended that you bring both oar handles into your armpits while your blades should sit on the surface of the water. Extend your arms over the handles and roll forward on the seat so that the oar handle is positioned between your thighs and arms. 8. Make sure that you sustain control over both of the oars to avoid toppling over. 9. If you're starting from a position where you can't easily start rowing, give yourself a big push towards the water. 10. If that doesn't get you far enough, lean back away from the dock while pulling the inside oar carefully towards yourself until you can place the blade on the edge of the dock and push away. 11. Make sure that you check your sitting posture before you start rowing. 12. It's important that you should be sitting squarely on the seat with your feet under the straps and your knees down in a way that your calves should be touching the boat. 13. You should put one hand on each oar with the handles just in front of your body over the thighs, oar blades flat on the water. 14. To begin moving, you should use the push of your legs while simultaneously swinging towards the bow with the torso, making sure that your arms are straight. 15. Once your legs are fully extended, you should begin to pull in with the arms while finishing the swing of the upper body at the same time. 16. Make sure that your elbows are hanging down in a relaxed position in a way that they pass closely by your torso as you finish the stroke. 17. While the oars swing through in a way that the grips point at your sides, lightly press down on the handles and simultaneously turn the blades flat. 18. You complete one row once the blades are out of the water when you straighten your arms. 19. While straightening your arms, make sure that your upper body swings towards the stern. 20. While keeping the arms straight and the upper body reaching for the next catch, begin rolling on the slide the moment oar handles are past your knees. 21. Turn the blades vertically to lightly drop them into the water before getting to your full reach. 22. Begin push off for the next drive with the blades in as you stop rolling on the seat. Note: understand that this tutorial just provides you with the basics of sculling. We recommend that you take proper training with an instructor before going scrolling. This is it, guys. Make sure that you go through each and all of these steps thoroughly before getting on the water. Share with us your experience in the comments section down below and any tips and tricks you might have. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.